triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where A corresponds to D and C corresponds to F. Angles C and F are right angles. If tan A equals root 3 and DF equals 125, what is the length of DE? All right, so enter another question involving right triangles. This time the main concept here is similarity. And let me just draw the two triangles for you real quick. I think it'll be wise for you to do that also. So those are the two triangles, ABC and DEF. We were told that angles C and F are right angles, so there they are. And we're given DF is 125, so I'm going to plug that in. 125. All right, we're looking for the length of DE. Now, notice that for the first triangle, we're given the tangent of angle A is root 3. Now remember, we can write tangent as opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to give the root 3 a denominator of 1 because any number can have a denominator of 1 if it doesn't already have one. So then we can deduce that this right here must be the side opposite from angle A. This over here must be the side adjacent to angle A. So I'm going to go ahead and write those in. Opposite from angle A is root 3. Adjacent to angle A is 1. So because we're looking for DE and these two triangles are similar, the corresponding side, or rather the side that corresponds to DE, is AB. So we need to find AB first so then we can figure out what scale factor to multiply by to get to DE. But for the astute, you might have already figured it out. You're seeing that AC corresponds to DF, and AC is 1 and DF is 125. So that means that our scale factor, that's the number that you multiply each side by, is 125. So once we know AB, we'll just say AB, whatever that is, times 125, and that's going to be the length of DE. So that's where we're working towards. Okay, so back to the first triangle. Let's find AB using Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 1 plus 3 equals C squared. 4 equals C squared. Therefore, C equals 2. That means this length here, AB, is 2 units. Again, to find DE, we're going to take the length of AB and double it. So now we have, the length of AB and times it by 125, rather. So DE is 250 units long. And boom, shakalaka, that's it.